The big thing that sets in your brain at first is, wow, now I have to do this. This is something I've been waiting for, but now the work begins. I had a great opportunity to continue representing the people that poured into me, the people that I'm passionate about, the community of those with disabilities, people of color.
Every single one of us has something that we need help with every single day.
One of my prime goals of being Miss Oklahoma is to create better communities through inclusion. So I'm spending a lot of time advocating for those with disabilities across our state. I'm speaking to students.
There's no reason why we should treat people differently just because they have differences than us.
I grew up in Edmond, Oklahoma. My kindergarten teacher, I loved her so much and I thought she was the coolest person in the world, so much so that I dressed up as her for Halloween and made my mom go get me a little mini version of the outfit that she always wore to school. Another teacher that had a huge impact on me was Miss Klein at Westfield Elementary. I knew that in her class I could do anything and was capable of anything that she put in front of me, that all of my dreams were things I could achieve and all of the things that I wanted to do in life were things that I was capable of. And she's still in contact with me to this day. She's been involved in our family, and she shared a story with me about how when I was in 5th grade, she came and watched one of my softball games because I thought that I could be athletic at the time. And I was doing so poorly, so poorly in the game that she turned to my mom and said, okay, well maybe we stick with singing.
And soon they'll all know my name, I'll have fortune and fame.
Now I've had this life where I've been involved in music. She likes to say that she helped me get down that path. One thing that led me to a career in education as a teacher was loving students. And just as I spoke about my teachers pouring into me, I had the want and the desire to pour into young students as well. Just as my teachers made me feel capable of everything, I wanted other students to feel that way too.